In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I transform my YouTube videos into engaging Medium articles using ChatGPT. Hey guys, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for being here. And on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creatives. If you love this type of content, go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell as well. So every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, before we get into today's content, I want to invite you to my daily newsletter. Monday through Friday, I send 3 quick and valuable tips on my newsletter where I can help you to elevate your digital publishing game every single day. All right, so come and join 500 plus writers, publishers, and creators and elevate your digital publishing game every day. Plus, I'm going to also send you right away in your email box 50 plus creative ways to turn your writing skills into money. So go ahead and you'll find the link in the description for you to sign up absolutely for free. All right, so let's get into the content today. So you guys know, of course, I have a YouTube channel because you're watching me now, and I'm going to show you step by step how I take my YouTube videos, repurpose those into Medium articles. Okay. So if you're not familiar with Medium is a way that you can actually create articles. You can create these high converting articles for people to read because those that are on Medium, they read. Okay. I'm on Medium because I read. You can build and engage a community on Medium. You can also, when you write a few articles, you can also get paid from Medium as well. I'll do another video going on about their the income, and also I'll share with you guys as well how much I make for Medium since I've started back writing articles on there in December of 2023. Okay, so you can sign up for free to start with Medium. I suggest that pay the $4.99 a month. You can get the app on your phone. I use an iPhone, so I just pay through my app every single month. That's actually how I got started. I just downloaded the app because I wanted to read more articles, and I just paid the $4.99, and then I started to write. Okay, so you can do either or. You can just sign up as a person that writes, or sign up as a person that writes and also reads as well. Okay, so once you have your Medium account set up, then with my YouTube videos, I also use ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to go here because this is the article that I created today on my Medium account. All right, so this is the article I play. Now, you're going to need to have the paid version of ChatGPT. Okay, so you're going to need to have the paid version. And when you have the paid version, you're going to need to add a plugin. All right, there's a plugin right here called video captions. Okay, so you're going to need that in order to make this work. It's so worth it. And this is how I'm able to create Medium articles fast by using content that I already have. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab the link from your YouTube video. So just hit that share button, hit copy. And once you do that, you're going to go over here to ChatGPT. So like this is the one that I did earlier on my Medium blog. If you're on Medium, come on over and follow me. I did this right from there. Okay. So what I did was, because I have the plugin, you got to make sure that you have the plugin checked right here. And when you do, I just type in, can you create a Medium article? I can't spell today. From this video, and also incorporate the voice of the creator of the video. Because I like to write my articles, I like them to be in my voice. Okay, so the great thing about this, you can incorporate any type of voice that you want, but I like to be in my voice, so that's why I use my videos. So here it goes. I just paste the link in there, and now it is writing. So it's writing according to my voice that they hear in my video. Okay. So once I let that write, I give that a few moments, and then we will come back once it's done. All right, so there we go. We have it gives you the title and everything. So there you go. There's the article. So what I do is I just copy and paste this into Medium. So right here at Medium, I just hit the right button, and then I get the title. Most of the time I am changing up the title just a little bit, if it, to make sure that it's, you know, clickable. You want people to click on your article. You want them to be interested in your article. So unlock the secrets of A plus content on Amazon KDP for nonfiction articles. Okay, so let's say we go with that one. I think mine is a different title. I think I named it different. And then what I do is I just started creating my own cover here for Medium. Usually I would go to Mid Journey and get a picture. As you guys can see, let me show you some of my articles here. So I just started doing it a couple of days ago to change it up. But as you can see right here, I was using Mid Journey to get my pictures from there. But I was like, you know what? I want to get a little bit more personal with my articles. So I just created this in Canva. All right. I'll put the link in the description. You want to just, copy it, you can. So I just do that. I put my title here, my subtitle. So this is the actual name of the article when you find it. Mastering A plus content for Amazon KDP, a guide for nonfiction authors is my subtitle. So what you would need to do in KDP is I just copy, not in KDP, but in ChatGPT, I just go ahead and copy it here. Now I don't leave it as is. I go through here and I read through it. As you see, it didn't capture my name, but I don't want this to sound like a video, because it will sound like a video, because it will say, subscribe to this channel, and those, you don't want it to sound like a whole video. Okay. So go in, make your changes to your content. So I make changes in my actual article that I did, which is right here. As you can see, it's right here. So I put pictures inside of my article so that is, they can stand out. You can put, links and things like that. I did that here. Once you do that, at the bottom, I just created this signature. So at the bottom of all of my Medium articles, I have a signature way of closing out my articles. So I have related articles so they can click on other articles that I've written and possibly about this subject. Any articles. If you're new, you're probably not going to have this right here, but give yourself time to build up where you're able to have that. Because I always reference other articles in my writing as well. It's a great way to get, more followers. Also a great way to get more, more people engaging your writing. Then I have a short description here. And of course, I'm talking about my newsletter that you should be a part of. Okay. So I have the link here to my newsletter. And then I always input a YouTube video because I'm a YouTuber. So I ask them, I say, look, show me some love via my last YouTube video. So because this article was about the A plus content, I took the same video and put it here just in case someone scrolls down. And sometimes I put a nice picture of myself, okay, because I love myself, okay. So I put a nice picture there, and that's how I set up my article. So you can do this very fast, right in using your videos in YouTube, using ChatGPT, and that's why I'm able to. I upload a new article every single day, okay, even sometimes twice a day, because I want to serve my community on Medium so much, and I have so much content on my YouTube channel. So I was like, you know what? Let me use my videos that I already have to put on Medium. Okay. So it's just a methodology. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can also use other people's YouTubes as well, their links, and put it in there. But I want to caution you with that. Make sure that you're giving credit, especially if you are, publicizing someone else's work. Essentially, you want to give them credit. Ways that you can give them credit is by inputting the YouTube video in your Medium article. That's a great way to build authority as well, and also make sure that it is there to bring value on the Medium, platform. I look at Medium as another kind of like social media, kind of in a way, but I love it. I love it over there on Medium. So if you are on Medium, come on and hit me a follow and comment on my latest article that I showed you the example of so that you can make your Medium articles fast. Okay, so this is a great way for writers and publishers and creatives to not only make some extra cash. I'm going to do another video about that, but also a great way for you to reach your audience as well. You can sell things. It's a lot that you can do on Medium. Okay, so that's my video for today. I hope that you learned from this video, and let me know in the comments if you're on Medium. Put your username down there or your link so that I can come and follow you. Okay, until next time, we'll talk soon.